Hello mummies, welcome to my channel Learning with Flora. In today's video, let's see the February month bi-weekly syllabus or planner for playgroup kids. In the first and the second week, let's introduce the child what early humans are. Then in the events of the month, 14th February is Valentine's Day, 21st February is International Mother Language Day, 28th February is National Science Day in India. And the letter for the month of February is F and numbers for the month is 8. Color of the month is yellow. In English, language development for the first and the second week, let the child talk about his or her favorite toy. In vocabulary building, all the words related to the letter F, that is fish, frog, fan, etc. In sentence structure, for the first week, you can introduce the child. Fish lives in water. Then for rhymes, for the first and second week, you can introduce let's sail, let's sail, let's sail in the boat to catch some fish. Then storytelling, first week, you can say the story, a golden ring in the fish belly. And in picture reading for the first and second week, introduce the picture books that are related to letter F and revision of all the letters in your picture reading book. From A to Z you can introduce the child. In pre-writing stroke for the first and the second week, you can give O stroke. Then in early writing for first and second week, it is letter F. In reinforcement activity, it is identification of alphabet and their associating pictures from for L, H, T, I, E, F. All the line stroke or line pattern alphabets. Then for the Montessori language activity, trace letter F and O on the sand tray. Then for maths, picture reading book, identify the numbers from 1 to 10 for the first and second week. That is the revision activity. Rhymes, 1 to buckle my shoe, again the revision of previous month rhymes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, once I caught a fish alive. Then in oral activities, it is number recognition activity. And in number writing, for the first and the second week, it is introduction of number 8. Montessori math activity, here number quantification activity from 6 to 10. Then EVS, according to theme and concept, say the stories of early man with appropriate pictures. This topic will be very interesting for the child. Then in fun activities, it is pretend play. You can pretend and play like early humans. In gross motor skill development, you can do many activities which keeps the child physically active. In music, the singing walrus. Then in games, both indoor and outdoor, whatever is possible that you can play. Then in fine motor skill development activity, you can ask the child to tear color papers into tiny bits. In art and craft coloring activity, join the dot. Simple drawing activity, here you can give fish. For example, you can keep a dots like this. And ask the child to trace over the dots like this. Then in craft, dal pasting collage, that is, you have to draw a fish and you can ask the child to paste chana dal on the fish. Then in origami, you can introduce or teach the child fan fold. In social and emotional development, you can talk about the daily activities that is going on in your house. Then in cognitive skill, you can give brainstorming activity worksheets related to the theme and topic of the week. Then free play, it is child's playtime. In cultural subject, you can introduce the child to the word or what land and water mean. The terms, you can say land is brown in color, and water is blue in color. You can teach them and you can show the pictures related to land and water. In kids yoga, you can practice all the pose that has been introduced to the child and let the child demonstrate the pose and name it. Then in physical exercise, you can repeat the exercises which the child is feeling little difficult. So you can ask the child to practice it again. And in Montessori activities, in EPL or exercise of practical life, teach the child how to wash few fruits like apple and mangoes and dry wipe it with a kitchen towel. And in sensorial activities, teach the textures and shapes of few grains and cereals like rice, wheat, dry peas, rajma, white chana, ragi, etc. that are easily available in the kitchen. These are the syllabus for playgroup for the month of February for first and second week. So by the end of February, the child will finish writing or learn to write letters L, T, H, I, E, F and numbers from 1 to 10. So by the end of February, the entire writing syllabus for playgroup is over. So in the month of March, you can give assessment sheets to know how much the child has grasped all these months. So in the month of March, we will see a lot of assessment worksheets through which you can assess the child, and later on you can teach the child the nursery syllabus. So in the month of March, we will just have assessments, so that this will help us know where the child is in his reading and writing areas and where we have to give lot more practice. All those things we will know. Thank you for watching.